Namaste Bitya. I, JVN Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is what is DBMS and what is RDBMS, and basically we discuss about the difference between DBMS and the RDBMS. So although DBMS and RDBMS both are used to store information in physical database, but there are some remarkable difference between them. The main difference between DBMS and RDBMS we are given in the table. So DBMS application store data as a file, whereas RDBMS application store data in a tabular form. Second, in DBMS, data is generally stored in either a hierarchical form or a navigational form. In RDBMS, table have an identical called primary key, and the data value are stored in the form of table. In DBMS, normalization is not present. In RDBMS, normalization is present in um, fourth, DBMS does not apply any security with regards to data manipulation, whereas RDBMS define the integrity constant for the purpose of ACID, that stand for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. DBMS uses file system to store data, so there will be no relation between the table. But in RDBMS, their data values are stored in the form of table, so a relationship between these data values will be stored in the form of table as well. DBMS has to provide some uniform method to access the stored information, whereas RDBMS system support a tabular structure of the data and the relationship between them to access the stored information. DBMS does not support distributed database, whereas RDBMS support distributed database. DBMS is meant to be for small organization and deal with a small data. It supports single user, whereas RDBMS is designed to handle large amount of data. It supports multiple user. Example, DBMS are file system like XML, RDBMS are MySQL, PostgreSQL Server, Oracle. After observing the DBMS between RDBMS and DBMS, you can say that the RDBMS is an extension of DBMS. There are many software products in the market today who are compatible for both DBMS and RDBMS. Means today our RDBMS application is DBMS application and vice versa. I hope आपको इस वीडियो में इसका डिफरेंस समझ में आया होगा. If you have any doubt, any query, then message me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.